Hello all, welcome again. This is preprocessor directive session. In this we will see miscellaneous directives. Please kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button. Not subscribe. So for a quick review, I will read out what are all the preprocessor directives available. File inclusion directive we saw in our previous video, macro substitution directives and undefined symbol directive, conditional directive. Now we will go through the miscellaneous directive like hash pragma, line and hash error. So pragma directive is implementation specific directive, that is each directive has different implementation rule and use. There are many types of pragma directive and varies from one compiler to another compiler. If compiler does not recognize particular pragma, then it simply ignores that pragma statement without showing any error or warning message and execute the whole program, assuming this pragma statement is not present. For example, let's see the following code: hash include stdio.h, hash pragma world, and int main printf C is a powerful language, return 0. The output is C is a powerful language. Since pragma is unknown to Turbo C 3.0 compiler, so it will ignore this directive without showing any error or warning message and execute the whole programming, assuming hash pragma world statement is not present. Let's see list of directives in Turbo C 3.0. I am going through this Turbo C 3.0 just because keeping in mind lots of aspirants will not have access to the plenty other IDEs. We just go with the Turbo C so that we can see deeper as far as preprocessors are concerned. So let's see the list of hash pragma directives: hash pragma startup, hash pragma exit, hash pragma warn, and hash pragma option, hash pragma inline, hash pragma argues, and hash pragma HRDR file, hash pragma HRDR stop, hash pragma saver EGS. So what is hash pragma startup and hash pragma exit? Let's see its syntax. How does it look like? Okay, hash pragma startup, and we have a priority for it. Hash pragma exit, and we have priority, where priority is optional integral number. For user priority varies from 64 to 255. For C library priorities varies from 0 to 63. That means we have totally user and C library totally 256 priorities. But there is one more called default priority, that is 100. So pragma startup always execute the function before the main function. Pragma exit always execute the function after the main function. Function declaration of must be before startup, and exit pragma directives and functions must not take any argument and return void. If more than one step, one startup directive, then priority decides which will execute first. So startup lower value higher priority, that is function with well, higher priority, that is functions will execute first. If more than one exit directive, then priority decides which will execute first. If it is higher value, higher priority, that is function will execute first. Let's see with a small program. I have two functions called void India and void USA. Hash pragma startup India, priority is 105, and hash pragma startup USA, where there is no priority, and hash pragma exit USA and hash pragma exit India 105. And I have my main function, I am in main, which prints up I am in main. Okay, get ch, and I am in main. And let's see, these two methods are functions, void India, printf I am in India, get ch. Okay, void USA, printf I am in USA. So let's see how the output comes. First, you see, the output will be I am in USA, I am in India, and then comes the I am in main, I am in India, I am in USA, like that. See, the above program, there are two startup directives which will execute before the main function. The function name India has priority 105, function name USA has priority 100, which is default, isn't it? We did not use anything there. So USA function will execute first, then India function, and above program there are two exit directives which will execute after the main function, isn't it? So function name India has priority 105, function name USA has priority 100. So India function will execute first, then USA function. So that is how, this is how the explanation is. I am repeating, function name India has priority 105 and function name USA has priority 100, which is default since we didn't use it. So USA function will execute first, then India function, and above program there are two exit directives which will execute after the main function. Function name India has priority 105, USA has default, that is 100. So India function will execute first, then USA. Let's see hash pragma inline directive in C. So hash pragma inline only tells the compiler that the source code of the program contains inline assembly language code. In C, we can write assembly language program with help of ASM keyboard, isn't it? If you remember in our 8051 or STM32 previous this thing, we used a keyword called ASM for assembly, isn't it? So hash pragma warn directive in C, there are many warning messages which can be on or off with the help of hash pragma warn. Okay, the syntax goes like this: hash pragma warn plus xxx and warn minus xxx and warn dot xxx, where plus means on, minus means off, and dot means on or off, that is toggle. So this xxx, that is triple x, is indicate this indicates particular warning code in 3 alphabet. Example, RVL is a warning code which means function should return a value. Let's see small example. Okay, so std hash include stdio.h, then I write hash pragma minus RVL and integer main printf. It will not show any warning message. Okay, return 0. The output would be like, it will not show any warning message. So when you will execute above program, then the compiler will not show the warning message function should return a value because RVL warning is off. It is minus symbol is there, right? So hence it is off. Have a look at list of warning codes available like this. So ANSI violations, list of codes, example something like division by 0 ZDI, and initialize enumeration with type, so BI. So frequent errors code has no effect, EFF. Function should return a value, RVL. Okay, parameter is never used, PAR. So less frequent errors, examples like call to function with no prototype, that is PRO. You can see line fourth one in the this thing, or condition is always false, that is WCCC. Condition is always true, WCCC. And use of identifier, probability warnings. So we have various warning messages, predefined warning messages which we use. Those are all ANSI violations. Those are all classified into ANSI violations, frequent errors, less frequent errors, and portability warnings. Example for portable warning: constant is long, CLN; constant out of range in comparison, RNG; conversion may lose significant digits, SIG; non-portable pointer comparison, CPT; non-portable pointer conversion, RPT; mixing pointers to signed and unsigned char, that is UCP. So we just finished with the inline hash pragma inline directive, and we'll have a quick look at the hash error directive in C. Let's see the syntax of the hash error, that is simply hash error. If the compiler compiles this line, then it shows a compiler fatal error, that is it only issue an error message, and this error message includes, that is it only issue an error message, and this error message includes. Let's see with an example, like I'll write hash include stdio.h hash if and def math underscore h error, first include then compile. Else integer main float a comma b equal to 25, a equal to square root sqrt of b. Printf percentage f a return 0, and then finally hash endif. Output of compiler will give compiler error directive, first include then compile. We did not include that math.h, right? So hence it will not recognize sqrt. So this produces an error directive, isn't it? For this reason we go with hash error directives. This is how we write various error messages using hash error directive. So this is how the compilers also give error messages. We can go with the error numbers also. Hope you all while programming something you get an error message. So how you get an error message, for that we have given an example right now. Hope you understood this. So please kindly subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you, by clicking subscribe button and bell icon for personal notifications. Thank you.